Hey guys, Star here. I just want you to know that you can actually drive more revenue with high converting add-ons directly inside of your forms and surveys. If you're a business coach or a life coach and you have funnels in place that leverage forms and surveys, you can actually insert to sell a product field directly into your form or survey. You also have the option to either use a main product or a bump product. Let's go ahead and get started so that you can start increasing your revenue directly in your funnels, leveraging forms and surveys. You're going to want to be on the sub-account level. We're just going to scroll down on the left-hand side to Sites. Once you click on Sites, we're just going to go to the top and select Forms. When you click Forms, you can obviously edit an existing form to update your form or your survey. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and create a new form. So we'll click the plus sign and we'll build one from scratch. So we'll select Create. Okay, so now we have our form. Now on the left-hand side, you can add form elements, and you'll find that under payments, we have sell products. So let's just go ahead and drag sell products over here. You can see that once you add products, they're going to show up right here, and your customers and clients can directly pay and check out on this form. So let's go ahead and select that product. On the right-hand side, please note that there's going to be test mode. So once live, you want to go ahead and toggle that on. You can actually enable a coupon code, and you have layout settings as well. So you can play around with the layout settings, and you can actually have a product selection for multi or single. So what you want to do is just go ahead and select to add a product. We're just going to go ahead and select one of our products. We'll go ahead and add that product. Okay, so now we have our jeans as the main product. We're going to go ahead and add another product, and we'll select the product. And in this case, this is going to be our bump product. You can add more than one bump product. Go ahead and add the headline that you'd like to add for that bump. And then you can add your one-time offer headline as well. And you can also add your one-time offer text right after that. Then if you want to upload a different image, you can definitely do that. You can drag the image to this area to upload it. I'm going to go ahead and add the product. You'll notice that I have my main product and I have the order bump product. Once you've added the order bump product, you're going to now see that you have order bump styles. You have modern, we have classic. So if you like that classic look where the yellow box is showing, you can also go ahead and change that. And we have 3 templates to choose from. HighLevel has this template that you can see here, and this is template number 2. And we also have template number 3. So you see 3 doesn't have the blue background, it's more white in the background. So you definitely have the ability to customize the look of the checkout form that's going to be listed on your form or survey. So you can choose to toggle off the price point, you can turn on the price point. You can also show different colors for the bump price. So maybe I want that to be red, for example. The bump order, I might want to change that price. You can also change your highlight text, your headline, your one-time order headline. Let's go ahead and change that as well. So now that red is really standing out. And you can change your one-time text. Then you also have single column. You can do 2 columns or 3 columns as well. And you also have product selection so that you can allow for a single or multi-product selection. That's also an option that you have. I really like template number 1. I'm going to go with template number 1 in this case. And I also wanted to show you that you have various icons that you can use. So we have the fire emoji, which is super cool. You also have an arrow that you can use. You have a plus sign that's animated and really pops as well. You have the gift box. I love the gift box. It's really, really nice. We have a timer, a cracker, a snack, party balloon, flash, money, and space shuttle. So go ahead and choose the icon that you want to be displayed in your form or your survey where you'll be selling your products as well as your order bumps. Now that you've completed your form, you can go ahead to the top and rename your form, and don't forget to save your form. So there are a few things that I want you to take note of. Multiple bump products can be used per survey or form, but only one product in the form, either main or bump, can actually be set as recurring. This works with all existing payment processors, which include Stripe and PayPal. Please note that bump products can be added only when at least one main product is selected. If you're leveraging forms and surveys in your funnels, then start selling products directly in those forms and in those surveys, and take advantage of the order bump as well so that you can start increasing your order value. I'm so excited to see you earning more income in your business.